Okay, I will be configuring this lab. I have some basic encapsulation done on this trunking done on this router. I'm just going to be configuring this Mpls BGP. This is the requirements. Configure Mpls BGP, um, and these are the tasks. But the topology itself is self-explanatory, so I will just be jumping into the configuration and be making it happen. For the VRF configuration for the blue red, I've configured on UK uh, VRF 2000, 3000, and 1000 to follow the respective, as you can see here, .1Q encapsulation. Also on PE2, which I have here. Okay, let me just briefly show you what I have on the UK. So I have 1000, 2000, 3000 to match the respective interface. But on P2, what I've done is to uh, configure the loopback, and I need to put configure VRF lights on this part of the um, configuration. But before then, I need to have my VRF route distinguisher, route targets configured. I prefer to do configuration on the CE first, which is what I'm going to do on the. I've done this part, the UK part. I'm jumping into configuring the P router, but the way I usually do my configuration is CE, then the MPLS, then the P router. But I'm going to jump from here to the third point, which uh, because of the how the topology is being designed. So that's what will make me do go to the third stage before coming back here. So this way I can configure respective interfaces and have them up and running. So I'm here on the P router. I will be expanding it so that I can configure the VRF. Let me show you what I have on the global configuration. I don't have any VRF configured, so I'll be configuring the VRF now. Let's start with VRF green. To configure the VRF, I'm going to be using the third octet in the loopback and the last octet, the fourth octet of each and every loopback to represent my route distinguisher and the route targets that I'm exporting and I'm importing. So the route distinguisher will be for green will be 17.3, and I would like to export route target. Let's export the same, and we'll import um, for P1 will be 16 colon 3, for P3 will be 18 colon 3, and for P4 19 colon 3, 19 colon 3. So I think that is good for now. Then we can jump to the other one, blue. With the route distinguisher is going to be 17 colon 2. Route target will be, I'm exporting my route 17 colon 2. Then I'm going to be importing 16 colon 2, 16 colon 2. I will also be importing 18 colon 2, and 19 colon 2. Then the last on this particular router, my route distinguisher is going to be 17 colon 1, and I'm going to be exporting 17 column 1, and I'll be importing 16 column 1, 16 column 1, 19 column 1, and 18 column 1. So we have our VRF fully configured. I'm just going to replicate the same configuration on another router. So I'll be going to P1. Okay, before we do that, let me see if this is viable for P1. For P1, the green will be 16 column 3. Okay, before we do that, let me put each and every one of these and verify connectivity to be sure we are. So I'm going to be going to interface G0/0. The green is 3000 IPVRF forwarding. This is green. Then the IP address will be 200.200.200.5. That will be dot 5. That will be dot 9. I'm not sure. Okay. Okay, encapsulation dot 1Q 3000. No shots. Yeah. Then we go to the other interface. Blue is 2000. Encapsulation dot 1Q 2000. IPVRF 2000. And the IP address is going to be IPVRF forwarding. That will be blue. Then the IP address is going to be. There is a mistake. I made a mistake. So I'm just going to go out. There is a mistake which I'm quickly going to correct. For VRF green, the IP address is wrong. For green, it says no IP address, and the IP address is going to be .5. Yeah, that's for green. Then for blue, the IP address is going to be .9. Then we need to do for red. Just going to be 1000. Encapsulation dot 1Q 1000. And the VRF is going to be red. Then the IP address is going to be .1. So I think that satisfies interface section. That satisfies the. Let's verify connectivity. IP ping sorry, pink, VRF, green, 200, 200, 206. What does it mean is not the source address? And let's say, okay, green, 205.6. Okay, so 6 source. This is green. I'm going to source it with this guy. Okay, I guess the interface is still shut down, as you can see. That is the problem. So I'm just going to go to the interface. Is just at 0, not short. Then try again. We are green. Green. 200 or 200 or 206. Okay, okay. Now we have reachability, which is good. So we can move to the next one. This is good. So we have reachability. I'm going to hold on that. So we go to the next one, which is P1. And I'm going to quickly do the basic configuration that is required. Okay, I have just IPv green route distinguisher 16:3 route target export 16:3 route target import import 17:3 and import 18:3 and 19:3 respectively. In IPv blue route distinguisher 16:2 route target export 16:2 route target import 17:2 18:2 and 19:2. Then IPv red route target route distinguisher 17:1 route target export 17:1 then we import 17:2. I think I make a mistake. It's supposed to be I'm importing 16 column. The route distinguisher is wrong. 16:1 IPv right. IPv red. Apologies. IPVRF, red. Route distinguisher is going to be 16 column 1. Y. I'm exporting the route target. 16 column 1. Hmm. Why am I making mistakes? No. Route target. Export 16 column 1. Route target import 17 column 1. Import 18 column 1 and then 19 column 1. One of the things about this is it can be very confusing. IPVRF, let's check. Okay, 16, 3, 16, 1, and 16, 2. I want to believe this is correct. So then we can go to our loopback interface. Interface loopback 3000. IPVRF forwarding. VRF forwarding green. IP address is 172.16.255.3. 255.255.255.252. Oh, no, 222.255. Apologies. Interface loopback 2000. VRF will be blue and the IP address is going to be 16.2. Short. VRF is going to be red. Oh, interface. Don't change it. So, interface back 1000. And the VRF is going to be red. And the IP address is going to be .1. You show IP interface brief. I'm missing 2. Interface number 2000. IPVRF forwarding. No. IP address 172.16.255.2. No shots. Show IP interface brief. Good. So don't I need to configure individually D0/7 IP address 10.0.255.255.252. My short number is D0/6. This will be 2. Okay. I think the configuration on show IP interface brief, and this is also complete. We can move to the third one. The VRF configuration can be very overwhelming, so but can manage. Come on. So our configuration is taking shape, going to be interface loop back 0 IP address 44.44.44.44 255.255.255.255. What am I doing wrong? Okay, for short. And let's go to our low IPVRF green. IPVRF green. Route distinguisher will be route distinguisher will be for green will be 19 dot column 3. Route target export 19 column 3. Route target import 16 column 3 for route 2, route 1, P1, then it's going to be 17 for P2, then it's going to be 18 for P3, IPVR blue, distinguisher, it's going to be, for blue, it's going to be 19 column 2, and route target export 16 column 2. I'm going to import 18 column 2. I'm going to import, I think I'm wrong. It's supposed to export 19 column 2. I'm wrong here. So I'm going to say note this and configure it again. Route distinguisher, I'm on route of 4. I'm here. Or where am I? I think I'm here. Showroom section. IPVRF. Okay, so I'm configuring blue. I'm just going to configure the host name so as to make it easier for me. So I'm here. Route distinguisher is going to be 19 column 2. And then the route target is going to be, I'm going to export 19 column 2. Route target, I'm going to import 18 column 2. I'm going to import 17 column 2. And I'm going to import 16 column 2. Then I'm going to do IPVRF red. Route distribution is going to be 19 column 1. 19 column 1. Route target export 19 column 1. And I'm going to import 18 1, 17 column 1, 16 column 1. IPVR showroom section IPVR the showroom. Okay, I think that is fine. We have okay, then we need to put IPVRF forwarding 3000 is screen, IP address 172.19.255.255.0.252 1.255 or the 255, just no short. 32,000 IPVRF blue, and there's going to be 255.2 VRF interface 1000 ERF rate, and the IP address is 19.1. The showroom. So we should have green, blue, red, respectively. Show IP routes. Show IP route via train. Oh, show IP route. Is it show via? Yeah, green. Yeah, that's what I expect. Blue and the red. So this is done. Then we move to the last. No, it is not. I need to configure these interfaces. Interface G0/7 IP address 10.0.2.6.255.255.252 short. Then we have interface 6. IP address is 6.6. We do not short interface brief to verify if all the interfaces are up. Good, 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 good. That's done there. We need to move to 3. The tedious part is the VRF configuration. Once that one is done, it has to be planned correctly. Once that is done, IPVRF green, it has to be done carefully. Route distinguisher 18:3. Route targets. Route target I want to export 18:3. I want to import 17:3. Import 16:3. Then import 19:3. IPVRF blue. I want to export 18:2. Okay, route distinguisher 18 colon 2. I want to export 18 colon 2. I want to import import 17 colon 2. Import 16 colon 2. Then import 19 colon 2. The IPVRF rate route distinguisher 18 colon 1. Route target 18 colon 1. No. Export 18 colon 1. Import 17 colon 1. 16 colon 1. And then 19 colon 1. Finally, we configure the path of VRF successfully. So we can then have the same thing on PVRF forwarding green first. Let's do green. IP address 172.18.255.3 no short interface number 2000 PVRF blue, and the IP address is .2 no short interface number 1000 PVRF red, and the IP address is .1. Now, put PE3 interface number 0 IP address 3.3.3 255.255.255.255 short 0/6 IP address 10.0.3.2 255.2 short interface G0/7 4 no shots short interface grid. Everything seems fine now. Okay, I can go ahead and configure routing protocol. OSPF, let's use OSPF 1. OSPF 1, we need to enable OSPF MPLS network. OSPF 1 network. I'm going to advertise only the loopback interface. Area 0, MPLS LDP autoconfig. Any other thing? I think that's all. I'm just going to go to each and every router and enable MPLS. Router 2. router OSPF1 network 2222 area 0 and P1 on the P routers. Router OSPF1 neighbor area 0. It is network, not neighbor. Mpls RDP autoconfig. This will be Mpls RDP. Then we go to P4. Router OSPF1 network 44, 44, 44, 44. Area 0. Mpls RDP autoconfig. That is everything I need to do there. Then I need to jump to each of these provider edge. Move. On the provider edge is where we're going to be having on the OSPF to be running. Nothing else but OSPF. Okay, it's not set. This is another P1 interface 0/7 IP address then the 0.1.1 255.255.252 not short interface G0/6 IP address then the 0.1.4.5 short interface G0/1 IP address then the 0.5 to interface G0/2 IP address and the 0.9 I guess. Okay. 9 I think I should have 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 okay I have dot /1/2 0/0 IP address then the 0.1 2 short option IP interface brief. Let's go right away and enable OSPF network 10.0 area 0. That is going to be all here. I'm going to do the same thing here. I miss a configuration I'm supposed to do on route. So I'm supposed to advertise 10.0.1.4 to match exactly area 0. Then I'm supposed to do the 3 area 0. OSPF is supposed to come up. OSPF is supposed to come up, forming adjacency with P1. Is anything wrong? Can I be able to ping 10.0.1.6? Yes, that is really the problem. Okay, I'm ping it. So show IP OSPF neighbor. Why is the neighbor not coming up? Let's quickly check that. This is 6. And here, show IP OSPF. Show IP interface brief 1.6. And what is in my OSPF? You see, that's where the problem is. Wrong advertisement. No, supposed to be advertising the specific interface, which is .6. And now we have it. This also is supposed to be exactly .6. Good. So we can go back to our PE. This is done. To our P3. I think I'm just going to start each and every one of these routes just so that P3 is ready. So the next thing is to configure, the first thing is to configure each and every interface. 10.0.0.21. 3.1, 2.2.2.2.2, no short, interface 0/2. Just going to repeat the IP address. This is 018, no short, interface 0/1, 06, no short, 0.7, 3.5, no short. Show IP interface brief. So we don't have 3.2.3.5. No, we don't have 3.4.5. We don't have 3.4.5. Router OSPF 1, network 0.0.0, 5.2.5.2.5.2.5.0. That should bring it up. Okay. for both interface. I should bring it up for 172.253. 172.253. Okay, that's the loopback interface. Then 10.1.5, 10.0.1.5. What interface is that? Show and Nimble 17253. This is forming with this and 10.1, then the 0.1.5 on this guy. Okay, it's forming this with this and this with this. Good. Actually, I think configuring should have a router ID, so it will be easier to configure to router OSPF from router ID the 3333. Go clear Mpls process. Yes. And on 4, I configured, I've configured 1 router OSPF, router OSPF 1 router ID. And then that way it's going to be more easier for me to identify the neighbors. E4 interface 0/0 IP address 22 interface 0/1 10 10 long short interface 0/2 dot dot 10. No, G0/2 is 10. G0/1 is 14. If I'm not wrong. So G0/1, the IP address is 14. While G0/2, the IP address is .10. G0/6, the IP address is 4.4.5. The IP address is 4.4.5. No short. Interface G0/7. That is why I am trying to be careful, because if I make a mistake, it's going to be an issue. Show IP interface brief 2 22 on dot 1 14 on dot 2 on /2. It's supposed to be 10. Yeah, yes. Then on dot 6 is 4, 5. On dot 7 is 4, 1. Okay, I'm going to be configuring the loop back. I think I have not been advertising the loop back on zones. 4.4.4.4. That is why it's picking a wrong route okay. IP route ID on P1 is 1.1.1.1. So clear USB process. Yes, I'm not taking chances on confusing myself. On the 3 route ID 3.3.3.3 clear USB process. Yes. So here we have 4.4.4.255. So we can go to our OSPF process 1 network 0.255.255.255.255 area 0. That should be sufficient. That should be sufficient to bring neighborship with. I'm supposed to have three neighborship now. Dot 1, dot 3. Supposed to have it 1. I'm supposed to have it 3. Show IPOSPF process. Show IPOSPF neighbor. Okay. So I have it 1. I have it 3. Good. So that is good. Then we're going to P2. I think on P2 I've done P1, 3, 4, 2. Good. So I'm going to do P2, first name, P2, interface, G0/0, and the 0.0.2, 255.255.252. No shots. Interface, G01, IP address, 10.0.0.13, but 13, 255.255.0. Yeah. So it's supposed to be 13, 252. No shot. G2. G2 is 17. No shot. G3. 3 is 0, 1, 2. I don't have 3. I have 7. And this dot 5. 2.5. I think I've completed writing interface brief. So it will have 2, G0/02, G0/1, 13, G0/2, 17, G0/6. /6 IP address 2.1 no shot interface loopback 0 IP address 2.2.2.2. So let's check to show IP interface brief router SPF1 network or 000 255 area 0. Yeah, I'm supposed to have my look back for each and every interface. I have to 2, I have to 4. Which way is 4? I have 4.4 on my look back. So where are the rest? Should have. Okay, I have. Why is the 4 advertised and the rest is not advertising to me? I should have 4. Okay, let's check for the remaining 1. Show IP route. I have 2. I have 4. I have 2. I have 4. What is wrong with 3? Let me go to 2 first. Show SPF. The only reason why it is not advertising is because I don't have it on the look back. I have 2. I have 4. On 1, what do I have? Show IP interface brief. You can see I don't have the look. I don't have it as a look back. 1.1.1 Now it's going to advertise. Show IP route. I have 1, 2, on 3 is also missing. Interface number 0, IP address 3.3.3.3, 255 short. So on 3, I should have show IP route. I should have 1, 2, 1, 2, 4 advertisements. Then let me go on my PE router and establish Mpls P1. Oh, I can go on P2. Show Mpls LDP. Mpls LDP Nibo. Okay, let us see why Mpls is not coming up. Show IP route. Do I have the loop? So we have our interfaces up. Let's check for Mpls. Okay, my Mpls is up. Okay, operational states running LDP, no PGP. Okay, let's move to the next one. We have our Mpls running, and next we want to do is show IP routes. This is what we should have. show IPVRF green. This is for show IP route VRF green. Okay, for green we have the local, which is 4, and 3. Is it 4 and 5? Okay, I'm not sure why it is showing, but these are the two interfaces. This is one interface for VRF green. I think my static, my loop back is not coming up. Not sure why. Show route. Show IP interface brief. I'm supposed to save this guy. Okay, let's proceed. Uh, we need to run BGP between UK and provider H1. But the way I'm going to do it is, since we can run two instances of BGP, I'm going to run one route on BGP 64500. I'm going to, if I disable no BGP default IPv4 unicast, then I can do address family IPv4. I need to um, VRF green. Let's do this first. But before we do that, let's go to UK to make sure this works. To BGP 6501 and neighbor is 200.200.200.5. Remote areas is 64500. We have another neighbor 200.200.200.9. Remote areas is 64500. Then we have the last neighbor .1. Then we have network. I'm going to advertise the network 200.200.200.6. The mask is 255.255.252. Okay, dot 4, then dot 8, then dot 0. That should be fine for that. Then we come back to P router. Neighbor 200.200.200.6. Remote areas 65001. That's for green. Address family for blue. Okay, you can see green is up. For blue customer, we have 18.10. Then we have VRF red, which is remote areas of 2. I'm going to do as well. So if I check show IP show IP routes. I should not find it here, but if I do show IP route VRF of green, so I have a BGP neighbor from green and /0. Okay, that is something is wrong. Should only have one. Show show section BGP. I'll double check that. So now on UK, let's see what we have there. Show IP route. I don't have any routes advertised. Okay, let's continue from where we start. Um, okay, I'm going just into advertise. No, this is not what I want. A section of the router. Oh, I'm in the UK. Okay, this is it. I can just quickly jump in. I need to address family for blue. Address family for blue is only to advertise network 172.17.2. The max is going to be 255. How do you use 255? Not try that. Oh, you what? Okay, for green, this 172.3. For red, this is dots 1. Okay, let's go to UK and check if we have expected BGP number here. No, we don't. We don't. We should have it. Could it be because I use high priority? Section VP. Blue is 2, green is 3, red is 1. Just going to avoid using this. But yes, I should be able to use it. Does this support network? I should be able to. So, show IP route VRF green. I learned two network from green. I learned dot zero and dot, which is wrong. How am I learning dot zero? Show IP interface. Okay, I'm learning dot zero because that's a subnet for that guy. Okay, but let's fix why I can't see the VRF here. Show on this one. Okay, okay, it's here now. But on UK, I should be able to see show IP route. Still, I'm able to see this subnet. So I'm going to check show IP label. Okay, I'm going to check with this guy. I want to take the look back. The look back, show IP, show room. Sure, the look back has been put in their respective area. That is the problem. The look back are not in their respective VRF. So that is the problem. Look back 1000 supposed to be IPVRF forwarding red. and we do this. Look back 2000 IPVR forwarding blue. Then we put the IP address. Look back 3000 uh, IPVR forwarding green. Then we put the IP address. That's 3. Now, if I go to UK, I should be able to see my routing table come up with there. Yes. So if I ping 172.17.255.1, it's reachable. So everything is fine from here. Show show BGP VPN 4 unicasts all. So as you can see, we have 2, which is this interface. On blue, we have 1, which is this interface here. Then this 200 is the subnet. And if I do show IPBGP, oh, I'll disable IPB. Show IP routes, they will not be in these routes. Because BGP is in VRF configuration. So we can now begin MPBGP. So I have this. I can now go to um, activating the neighbor, uh, neighbor 11.11.11.11, remote AS is an IBBGP 64500, neighbor 11.11.11.11, update source, look back 0, yes. Then address family VPN 4 unicast, neighbor 11.11.11.11, activate, neighbor 11.11, send community, and I think there is one more thing, send community bots, neighbor 11.11.11, not sure, I think that's all for now. I'm going to do the same thing for the 3, that's 3, that's 3, that's 3, remote is 64500, neighbor 33, update source, look back 0, address family, VPN 4, unicast, enable, activate, enable, send community post, show BGP. So I think we have it good there. We can go to P1, configure, To BGP, 64,500. No BGP default, no default, no BGP default IPv4. So there's no point activating it since address family, no, neighbor 2.22.22.22, motives of 64,500, neighbor 4444, remote is 64,500, neighbor 4444, route reflector. Okay, I think it's an address family. Address family VPN 4 unicast, neighbor 44 44 44 44. Activate send community boot, send community boot, route reflector client, then neighbor 2222 activate. So we have a BGP send community boot. Then we want to do route reflector client. So to reset the neighbor, that will be ready. Then we go to P4 on BGP 64,500. No BGP default unicast IPv4 unicast address family VPN v4 unicast VPN v4 unicast. I'm going to do neighbor 11 remote is no, I'm supposed to let me go out first. Neighbor 11. Yes, 64,500. Neighbor 33. Remote is 64,500. Then we go to the address family. Neighbor 11. Activate. Send community boot. And the neighborship should come up. We also have neighbor 3. Activate. Send community boot. I should have the neighbor come up, but for some reason it's not. Let's check where the problem is. Neighbor is this, and the neighbor is this. And I've done activation on both. So let's check P1. Okay, the neighbor is up. Show BGP VPN 4. Show BGP VPN V4 unicasts. Oh, wait, I'm missing something here. Show BGP VPN V4 unicasts. Oh, good. So, note I'm missing something. On P1, show IP route. Do I have default forward here? So, how? Oh, look back. Then supposed to go update source back 0 and 33. Hmm, 3.3.3. So since we are using number to P, show VPN PGP VPN V4 unicast VRM oh, and show PGP VPN VPN V4, yes, unicast home. Okay, okay, I have it. Now I can go to P3. P3. Let's try route to BGP 4500. No BGP false IPv4 unicast. No BGP IPv4 IP address family IPv4 unicasts. Then we do enable. Enable is 2.2.2.2. Remote is before address family. Enable 2222. Remote is 64500. And enable 444. Enable 444. Update source. Bacteria. Enable 2222. Update source number 0. Then we go to address family. Enable 444. Activate. Enable and community boot. Enable 222. Activate and community boot. No, why is it not coming up? Should have BGP So define the neighbor, I've defined update source, I've sent it. So I'm supposed to make this guy reflector for 222, and I'm supposed to make it for 444. I need to check the reflector of 444. Show IP routes. Let's see, we have 222, we have 444. So why is the BGP not coming? Try BGP. Show BGP. Oh, okay. Let's check how it's not. Um, so we are live with neighbor 222 64500. We define the update source. 222 we have to activate. 444 we activate. Then, so, so what am I doing wrong? I have two, I have four in my OSPF. Try OSPF neighbor. I have four, I have one, I have two. Why did I have one? I'm learning one from, okay, the one, two, one, two, four, one, two, four. Three does not have loop. Okay, three and three. This is P3. Oh, I have configured on the wrong router. Show BGP. I'm supposed to be configuring on PE3 here, not P3. That was really the problem. So it's simple, easy to fix. Same configuration. I'm just going to copy and paste it. In real life, I will not have access to the PE router. PE router will have configured down before. That's sufficient. You have the BGP come up now. Actually, I don't have any need for the P1, P1, P2, P3. I already have the basic configuration that I need on them, so I'm just concentrating on P1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So in UK, what do we have? Show it here out. Good. Now we start to redistribute into BGP all this. So let me start from P3. Show BGP. Show section BGP. I'm going to BGP, and I'm going to, oh, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an access list. Access list one. No, access list one for it. Permit permit 172.18.255.1 an access list 2 or 2 an access list 3. That's it's done. And I'm going to create a route map. I'm going to call it red. I'm going to permit 10. And I'm going to match 1, match IP address 1. I'm going to permit the rest to go the way it is. And I'm going to create another route map to be blue. I'm going to match the address. Actually, I can do route map access list 1000 so that it matches exactly uh, what I have. But I will do that on the remaining address access lists. One is red, blue is 2, then I can permit 20. Another route map green, permit 10, match IP address 3, permit 20. Do show room section route map. So we have blue, we have red, and we have green. So I'm just going to jump to the BGP and I'm going to configure this. I'm going to do address family, IPv4, VRF green, redistribute connected. The route map for green is green, if I'm not wrong. And I'm going to do the same for blue. I'm going to do blue, and I'm going to do red, and I'll do red. If all works as expected, should be able to come to P2 and show IP route VRF blue, and I should be able to see 255.2. See, look at it. And if I go to UK, I should be able to see 18255.2. That's it. Which was learned from .9, this interface. So everything seems good. So this configuration is complete. Show run section BGP. I have my update source. I have this, and I have this address. I would love to just okay. Let me continue. I've done P. Let's jump to P3. Really? Then where did I come? Okay, I was verifying for P2. Oh, okay, P2 is completed. P3, I'm going to P1. P1 is where? P3, P4 is dropped. I'm going to P1 and I will be configuring this one a bit differently. Oh, section BGP. Okay. Um, so BGP 64500 just family IPv4 via no. Access list 3000. Okay, I don't want to use standard access list. Access lists 3 permits 172.16.2.3 access list 2 and access list 1. Whoa! You show section access list access list 1, access list 2, and I'll have to remove this one. From my experience, when you do one remove access list, it tends to remove everything. Like I said, yes. So then we create a route map, green, permit 10, match IP address 3, permits every other thing. The route map again, blue, permit 10, match 2, match every other thing. IP address access list, red, permit 20, 3, every other thing 20. Address family, IPv4, VRF, green, distribute connected, route map, VRF, green, VRF green, don't have to do VRF again. And this is blue, sorry, it should be blue, then blue, blue, Red, red. That should be fine. So if I check my routing table, show IP route VRF claim, I should see one. I should see 204, 17.3, 18.5. See 204, 17.3, 16. Where's 16 coming from? Okay, 16 myself directly connected. I need to troubleshoot why I'm seeing these guys. I'm not supposed to see them. I'll check. The problem is from this P2. So let me fix P2 first, then come back. Why do I have ARF blue? Where do I advertise it? I think the reason why that is because UK is sending everything on those interface. That is why I got it. That's the problem. UK here. Okay, what I'm going to do to correct it is I'm going to go to this UK interface. Sure, I don't want UK to send all these routes. So I'm going to configure router 6501 BGP 6501 and I'm going to remove this network. No, no, no. I'm going to replace it with .6 mask 255, 255, 255, 255. I'm going to replace it with 10 so that they all advertise what they have under 2. So now let's check on P1. What do we have? I only have 5.3 on P1. I only saw this. But on UK, show IP route, I can see 1, 2, 3, 18, 16, 3, 17. I'm not seeing 18 on P this. I'm seeing green on P1. I should see green. I should see green on P2. Or 17253.3. I can only see this. I have not seen 18. So on P3, let's check what is wrong. On P3, show IP route, show run show run section BGP. blue. Can I see my show IP route where I green? As the first check. I can see myself. On 3, I am 17. On 3, I can't even see myself. Show IP in the history. It's like it is not advertising. Show access list. One is 18.1, 2, 18.2, 3, 18.3. Show route map. Showroom section. Blue is 2, and I match 2. Red is 10. Red is 10. Red is 1. Green is 3. I think my success is fine. Let's check here. Route map red. Route map green. Route map blue. Match blue. Show BGP VPN. VPN. VPN 4. VPN V4. Unicast hall. So we are okay. Now I think I'm suspecting. Let's check our PRF. But now I'm on 3, which is 18.2 for blue. I export 18.2. I import 17.2. I import 16.2, and I import 19.2 for blue. For green, I export 18.3. I import 17.3. I import 19.3, and I import 16.3. On red, it's 18.1. I export 18.1. I import 17.1. I import 16.1, and I import 19.1. The configuration seems right here. I can see this guy, but I can't see these two. Let me check on P4. Their exports. Show section. BGP. Let me even complete it first. Okay, so I'm going to go behind the background and fix it. For blue on P4, I have 18, I have 16, I have 17, and I have 19. Where is 19 coming from? Okay, directly connected. Good. So this is how I'm supposed to have it. This is good. This is show. Supposed to actually check all that out. Green, green lantern. That's what I'm supposed to have. And red. Good. So on show IP route VRF. Green. One is missing. I can see 19. 4. I can see 17. 17. This. But I can't see 16. 16. So 16 is what I need to check. Is what I need to check. P1. Let's see what you have. I'm not sure I've configured P1. Show run section BGP. Show run section BGP. Show run section. VRF. I'm exporting 16.2. 16.3, 16.1, I'm importing 17.2, 18.2, 19.2, 17.3, 18.3, 19.3. That's right. Show IP route VRF green. I see 17, I see 19, 17, 19. I can't find 18. 18 self can also. These two, they are not okay, good. And red. Okay, good. So the problem is between these two. Show IP route. I have 11. No, I have 33 in my OSPF. In fact, I'm learning it in two parts. Show IP route 0.3. Okay. Show run section BGP. Let's see. What color am I not learning? I think I'm not learning all the colors. Can't find either 18 on P1. I can't find 18.3. I can't find on P1. I can't find any one of this. So let's show run section IPVR. Be sure I'm importing the correct on P1. Am I importing? Am I exporting 16.3? Yes. Am I exporting 16.2? Yes. Am I exporting 16.1? Am I importing 18.3? 18.2? 18.1? Yes. So the VRF configuration is right. Show run. Hmm. The idea is not for this to learn it. The idea is for show IP route. I have 18, 16, 17, 19. They are not sharing route to avoid the loops, not because they can't share route. So if I should trace that, trace route to, let's see, 17.19.255.3 numeric. MPLS is not working. Yes, I can see that. MPLS is not working. I'm just going to fix that. MPLS is not working. MPLS is not working. I've not enabled MPLS on the core. I only enable it on the P routers. Let's see what we have here. Router OSPF1 MPLS RDP. Okay. MPLS RDP autoconfig. Router OSPF1 MPLS autoconfig. B on 2 router OSPF1 MPLS RDP autoconfig on router 4 configuration T router OSPF1 MPLS RDP autoconfig. So we should, if I come to my P1, P1, I think I've not saved configuration. If I come to my P1, I can do through MPLS. Interfaces. Through MPLS. LDP label. Okay. Now let's run traceroute again to be reachable this time. What is wrong? Have I done anything wrong again? MPLS is up, so why is it not working? Think 127.19. Is it 19.255.3? Show IP route. Okay, can see the route. Front reflector is up. Show IP route. VRF green. So what could be wrong? I can ping 172.19.255.3 ping VRF green. Yeah. Now this is the part the troubleshooting is important. Let's see why. Show, show Mpls. LDP discovery. Mpls LDP neighbor. So on P2, I'm neighbor with 2, 10.0.0.1, 10.1.1, 10.0.1.1, 10.5, 1.1, 10. Okay, good. Draw section OSPF. I'm just going to pause the video to check what is the problem. I just found one of my mistake. I think it's on P1. Show run section BGP. Show run section access list. I think it's on P4, P2. Show run. Let me check. I can quickly verify from here. It's on 18. Which one is 18? P3. Those are one of the errors there. Show run access list. Show run section access list. It's right here, so what's the problem? Show run. Show IP interface brief. Okay, see the problem. Interface loop back 1000. IP address 172. 18, 255.1, 255.255. 2000, 2000, okay. Let's check on UK. Show IP route. It's corrected. Show IP route 172.16.2.5.1. Okay. Pin 172.7.16.2.1. They can reach it. Alright, check. 18 IP route. So 18.2.5.1. Can't reach it. I need to check. Show IP route. It's in the routing table, but I can't reach it. Okay, I think by now, okay, I'm just going to check. Okay, I think I'm having reachability now. Two can be where green 172.16.255.3. Source it with 172.17.255.3. Um, what did I type wrong? I want to ping T553 and 252. Invalid source IP address 18. No, let me ping it with 16. Okay, I'm pinging with the wrong source IP. 17. Here we have reachability. Let's go to UK and run a ping. Okay, that's understandable. I can check that. I need the P16. I can ping 16. I can ping 10. I can ping 19 for myself. Okay, so show Mpls forwarding table. Okay, good. So what I need is here. Need to first clear my PPGP soft. Show IP route. Ping 172.16.255.1. Let's source it with okay, I think I know why it is not working. Show section BGP. This is the neighbor 65001 network 200 200.1.6 mask 255.255.255.282. What does it mean incorrect mask? So finally, I'm able to resolve it. It's as a result of the advertisement on BGP. I had a wrong advertisement done here. They are all wrong. Okay, let me paint it properly. This is wrong, which I have to advertise a specific subnet, I mean specific interface. But now what I did is advertising the network, and I will check my BGP. I have nothing to now, and if I can ping, I can trace routes to 172.19.255.3. That's generic. So that is the path. And if you check, it is taking um, 200, then it took 10.1.5, 10.1.5 this side, then 10.1.10 is 10.1.10. It went paint, paint. Oh no, this is how the traffic went. Uh, went this route, then to 10.1.10.0.0.10, 10.0.0.2, 9, 10 came this way. This is the 10, then 192.253, then it popped here. So this guy did a swap, push, swap, swap, then the pop happened here. So let's see the return route. The return route is from, if it is, let's see, the return route. Being 200, not 200, but 100.6. Show IP route VRF green. Okay, being 200, 200, 200.4. Source it with 172 dot, no, dot 6, dot 6, which is the green interface. Source it with 172.19 dot 255.3. In VR in green. Want to verify the connectivity for it's good. And trace route um, the same IP address. And we source it with this IP address. That might be numeric. Let's see the 192.553. Alright. Invalid source IP address. Okay. Source loop back 3000. Let's see how it went. Oh, 26. Is it 6? Yeah, 6. I wish I have a router at the end of it. I've been able to ping it directly. Okay, for some reason I won't be able to do a return route to know if it is having a suboptimal route, but this is the way it follows. Down here, how many hop? One, two. If it goes this way, one, two, three. So this is the shortest path, which it actually follows. So that's all. That's all. Thank you for watching.